My nigga J-Roll booming.
We'll kill them.
I show niggas love, they ain't show it back. Ain't had no pole, I let niggas on my side. Ain't had no dough, even through niggas a pack. That's how I roll, real nigga, ain't no act. I be sick, then I'm motherfuckers, I can't find no act. Bitches saying I'm a dog, I'm in love with the cat. Told my bitch, don't tell me what to do, my mama name paying, they ain't got no P.O. no more. Cali where it's at, yeah, drippin' when I step. Got more foot. I remember I got that's my 12. I ain't doing shit. Nigga, I wasn't about like 12. I had hitting licks. Now I'm taking niggas clientele. I got all the licks. Got 93 Supreme. I don't like Blue Dream. Yeah, I got a mean thing. And that bitch got a beam. Limbo got a Glock with a dick on let it sing. Aim it at the enemies. I know why they envy me. Yeah, I'm the most hated. Yeah, I'm the MVP. Yeah, we gon' get this. I don't like blue cheese, but I got blue cheese, yeah. She done take my bitch to a boutique and she ain't leave me. Real niggas know that this pimpin' shit ain't easy. Can tell you all the shit I been through, you won't believe me. I been OT, working OT, I'm Houdini. Take your money, disappear. I be here and I be there. You know I be everywhere, yeah, I'm good everywhere. I'm done saying I'ma make it, I said that every year. Niggas know and it's very clear.
You ain't gotta give it too much, right, folks. Tell them your shit on the way, man. Oh, God.
That's light shit. Hey, thoughts in my head, the EP coming soon.